Can you enable Minecraft account restrictions? Well, the answer is yes. You can do it. You can do the account restrictions through your Microsoft account. You want to open a web browser over here, and you need to open the official Microsoft application, and you need to open the official Microsoft website over here, log in into your account on here, and you want to simply scroll down, and you'll be able to see an option called family over here. You want to simply tap on add a member over here, and by doing so, if you have family members added over here, you can simply open the privacy and online safety option over here inside the features of your parental, and by doing so, you'll be able to adjust settings such as multiplayer games, friend requests, voice and text communications, and purchases inside your game as well. By doing so, you want to simply save your changes, restart the Minecraft application for the settings to take effect, and by doing so, you would have successfully enabled Minecraft account restrictions through your Amazon account, through your Microsoft account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.